You won't believe how fast and crispy this COSORI Air Fryer can make your meals. Shockingly good. The time-saving, mess-free miracle you didn't know you needed. Ever feel like cooking a quick, healthy meal takes forever? Or worse, dealing with piles of dirty pots and pans? Enter the COSORI Air Fryer, your ticket to faster cooking, less mess, and guilt-free indulgence. With its max 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature and advanced JuiceLock technology, you can create crispy chicken, juicy steaks, and crispy fries up to 50% faster than a traditional oven. The Air Whisper technology ensures your cooking experience is peaceful, so you can prep dinner without disrupting the flow of conversation. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to more time with your loved ones. Unmatched versatility, from meat lovers to meal preppers, it does it all. Why settle for an air fryer that only does one thing when you could have one that does it all? The COSORI Pro LE Airfryer comes with 9 versatile cooking presets, including options for steak, chicken, bacon, seafood, and even low-carb options for those on specific diets. With the 5-quart capacity, you can easily whip up meals for 2 to 3 people in one go. Plus, the 130+ in-app recipes offer endless meal ideas, so your cooking possibilities are endless. Whether you're craving crispy skin or tender, juicy meat, this air fryer has you covered from breakfast to dinner. Healthier meals without compromising taste, crispy with 85% less oil. What if you could enjoy your favorite crispy, fried dishes without the guilt? The COSORI Air Fryer allows you to cook with up to 85% less oil, meaning you can indulge in crispy bacon, golden fries, or even juicy steaks, all while cutting down on fat and calories. The JuiceLock technology ensures your food remains tender and juicy inside while achieving that crispy, golden exterior. With all the taste and none of the excess oil, this air fryer isn't just good for your health, it's great for your waistline too. Quiet, efficient, and sleek, a kitchen upgrade you can't Mississippi. Why settle for noisy, bulky kitchen appliances? The COSORI Pro LE combines sleek design with Air Whisper technology, allowing you to cook in peace. At just 55 decibels, it's quieter than many traditional air fryers, so you can cook without disturbing family dinners or conversations. The tempered glass display adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, and the non-stick basket means cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or prepping for the week, this air fryer fits into your life, quietly, efficiently, and with style. Why wait? Experience cooking that's faster, healthier, and way more fun. Don't waste time waiting for your oven to preheat or dealing with greasy frying pans. The COSORI Air Fryer gives you faster, healthier meals, while saving you time and effort in the kitchen. With its rapid heat circulation and max 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, your meals are done in a fraction of the time. Plus, its dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time scrubbing. If you're looking for an air fryer that checks all the boxes, speed, health, quality, and taste, the COSORI Pro LE is exactly what you need.